So it's time for an unboxing, as it's Black Friday week, Black Friday month, whatever. And this package arrived today from Modellbahnunion in Germany. And it's kind of, Black Friday, Santa Claus, that sort of thing. So I have my trusty Victorinox. It's hard to get this in shot. So, what do we have? This should be a bit higher. There we go. So the main. Okay. Before we hit the main course, let's have a look at some of the smaller things we have. A little Dapol Kitmaster bungalow with an incredibly ugly TV aerial, which I don't think I'll be installing. So this is again another old plastic Airfix kit from the 1960s that Dapol would produce. Something for my little layout. What else have we got? Oh, this was a little freebie. When you order from Modellbahnunion, they offer you various freebies, most of which seem to be in TT scale. So this was something I found in H0, a small bell tower, an Uhrtürmchen, which might fit in my UK-based layout. It's not too generically German. What next? Oh yes, some people. At the moment my layout is a little bit unpeopled. So here we have some people and some station accessories. All to paint up, which should be fun. Again, this is something from Airfix from the 60s. So 60s people, 60s clothes. It should fit my era fairly well. Okay, that's a few smaller items. Well, a little bit of a novelty thing, a Coca-Cola 6-wheeled wagon. I have various soft drink related wagons for my layout, so this kind of fits in with this. I've already got several Coca-Cola items. This is, of course, didn't pay full price for. It was a fairly nice bargain. Not terrific, but fairly nice. We have a little Dapol van, Astra Fireworks. I already got a fireworks van a few months ago. This was like €7 or €8 and weathered, so just another theme. In addition to soft drinks, we have fireworks. Oh, I forgot, I ordered an unweathered one as well because they were pretty good value, about €7 each. Okay, and then to the main course, 2 Dapol locomotives. These were extremely good bargains. So it's a Hawthorne Leslie 040. These are all, can we put the top off? Oh, it's a little bit, I haven't got space really to do it justice. I'll do a proper unboxing of this later. Instructions fell out. Look at the end. I got green with the yellow lining called asbestos, which really appealed to my kind of sick sense of humour. Imagine creating a locomotive and calling it asbestos, of course. Back in those days, asbestos was seen as this wonder material. I did a little bit of, well, not really research. I did a Google search, I did a Wikipedia search on asbestos, and it was still really being used up into the 80s and 90s, which I found hard to believe. It's such a pain in my building here. We have asbestos in the cellars, which we have to just contain because removing it would be horribly expensive. Anyway, the train called asbestos, and the real meat in the sandwich is this large prairie from Dapol. Again, it was a very good price. And I got a British Railways black version This was pre-logo, so it has just has the type, the word British Railways down the side, which I really like this pre-logo look from British Railways, kind of just after 1948 and the amalgamation of the 4 different regions. And that, as they say, is it. And some little bits of guff. Oh, beer coaster, how cute. So, that's the box unboxing. I'll do a video a bit later on the actual locos, possibly the wagons as well.